So the problem is the less you get to interact with the collectors, the more that collector is going to have that mentality. I bought an artwork from Saatchi. They don't think I bought an artwork from Elizabeth Baker. So it doesn't lead to repeat collectors like the Coen sisters or what Marisabel is experiencing now. And so when you make a sale, it's great, but if you can't make them into a collector or a customer, it's not good for the longevity of your career. So Etsy, you do get interaction with the people buying from you, even though there's still some of that element of people think I bought it on Etsy. At least you can add them to your email list. You can message them back and forth. So they do feel there is a little more connection with you. It's a good place to find new people who may not have otherwise found you on your website. What I find artists do who are very successful, though, is they may put only a certain kind of art on Etsy and the other kind of art they would have on their website. So Cindy would be a great example of this. Cindy puts her small 6x6s on Etsy and her large pieces on her website. I know other artists like Esty McLeod. I believe she only puts prints on Etsy and saves the originals for her website. So that's been her business model.